Today I'm taking a look at the Libraton deburring tool. So it comes with our deburring tool. We actually got a blade pre-installed, and we've got a bunch of extra blades. It looks like we actually got 3 different types with this kit as well. So we got some little shorty blades, got some black and silver blades. Not really sure what the difference there is, possibly stainless steel. So our black ones are designed for steel, aluminum, plastic, and our silver ones are designed for stainless steel, aluminum, and plastic. If you want to cut stainless steel, then you use these silver style blades. But if you ever use a deburring tool, they're basically all the same. They got this little chuck right here. So you just pull that collar down, and then the blade will drop out. You want to put it back in, pull it down again, and it locks in place. So here I got a piece of channel. You can see it's got a fairly rough cut on it. So all I do is drop the blade on there and then drag it across. And just like that, went from a sharp edge to a nice smooth edge. Here I got a piece of aluminum, same thing. Just put the blade on there, drag it back. Much nicer. And you can see the type of shavings that it pulls off. So overall, if you're doing any kind of machinist work or just like DIY projects, anything like that, this is an excellent tool to have.